what do we have here? I don't know if you guys can see that, but here, let's get in there. Something came from Martin's car today. Oh man. I'm gonna unbox it here because he wanted to see some of it, and he's pretty excited. This is the SIKKY kit for his S13 that's out here. So, which is under there, and this is partial kit. We got the stage 1 with the come with the drive shaft, motor mounts, oil pan, all that. Whoa, throw you guys all around in here. So yeah, this is going to be the unboxing for it, and this should be the drive shaft here. Because I'm actually curious to see how nice this stuff is. It better be for the money. We got a steel drive shaft, because we really weren't worried about it. 240s are light enough, so I'm sure it doesn't really matter if it's steel or aluminum, unless you're like going on a full race car. The whole object of this build is to pretty much be a daily driver with AC, heat, all the amenities. You know, who wants to be able to jump in it and go get ice cream, do some burnouts if he feels like it. So, drive shaft's pretty nice. For a steel one, it's pretty light, surprisingly. I figured it'd be a little heavy duty material out of it. This one's cut to length for a LS1 with a T56. So, and that is what will be going in the car. So we got drive shaft, let's get that out of the way. And then here's the good box. We got multiple boxes. Of course, 20 pounds of paper. My neighbor. Can't go wrong. Stickers, obviously. Oh, damn. Dude, they give you a DVD. Jesus Aguila from Bravo Motorsports. Installed by Bravo Motorsports. Yeah, dude, they give you a full-on install how-to DVD. Like, you can't even beat that. I was just going to wing it with the directions off the internet, because you can print them out. But, dang. So, what is in box number 1? This is the master cylinder adapter kit. I'm kind of curious to see, because he ordered that too. The only thing left we gotta get is the power steering lines, the AC lines, headers, and whatnot. Of course, more stickers. And you guys can check that out. All stainless lines. Looks like some pretty quality stuff. Wood Master, like you can't go wrong there. Like you really can't even be mad. That's pretty awesome. Sweet. Let's see what the next box is. Oil filter relocation kit. So, supposedly on these cars it comes real close to the subframe, from what I understand, so you do got to move it. Plus the This has got a really badass oil pan. Installing the oil lines is essential. The lines run from out on the oil pan to in on the filter plug. Yeah, I didn't know it was ever labeled. Interesting. Even comes with an oil filter, P1A. Same oil filter. Nice. And there's your adapter. Comes with a mount. You can put it on the fender or whatever. There's some really nice lines, not gonna lie. They're killer. Perfect size. Like, yeah. This is gonna be nice. Comes with the adapter fittings too to adapt it down. Like, this is killer. I'm impressed. So far, the question is going to really tell the tale is how well does it fit? I did see somewhere in there that they were saying, hey, we gotta, you actually, oops, let that paper out. You actually have to massage the trans tunnel a little bit, from what I understand. And, man, I can see that, because the top of a T56 is kind of bulky. So what's the next one? These are the motor mounts. So it should be pretty nice. He went with the urethane ones, not the all aluminum solids. He wanted that taking down the road drivability. Oh yeah. Got S13 on there. This is the trans cross number. Looks really nice. If you can kind of see it in there. For T56. This is what I want to see was the motor mounts. So here's the driver's side. Because all of their pictures, these things look pretty serious, and I am not gonna lie, that is really freaking nice. Like, check that out. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm putting that back on there. And of course you got their infamous lime green motor mounts, but they're poly, so that should be sweet. Still a little bit of vibration, but you know, not miserable once they break in. I'm digging it, man. But this is really nice. And pretty much I'm going to go through the whole install. We're going to do a video series on that, so you guys will get to see how this kit goes together and all that stuff, if there isn't already a million of them on YouTube as it is. But we'll do it Jeff's Tuning and Performance style, right? Alright, so there's that, and we'll put that back in there. And then last but not least, the oil pan. Eventually it'll open. Alright. Goddamn, sweet. They give you everything. We got dipstick tube. Looks like it's screwing into the pan. All the hardware. Like gasket. Even a Delco gasket. They better give you a Delco gasket. There's your pickup tube with an O-ring on it. Which, man, this thing's nice. I'm gonna pull this thing out so you guys can see this. Let's put that down. Oh yeah. Dude. And if you hear, it's got all the baffling in it. So, you know, for drifting, road racing, blah, 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 this controls your oil slosh. So that way you don't starve your pickup. You know, potentially hurt something, bearings, whatever. Pump. Comes with the logo on the bottom of it. Like, man, like, I'm impressed. It's really nice. The welds are all decent, man. Everything's clean. Like, yeah, definitely killer on the SIKKY's part. So, let me put that back. So there's no parts to it. Because we still got a little bit. Martin's still got to order the motor. He's getting a whole entire LS1 dropout with T56, computer, accessories, AC compressor. Like, we're just buying it all in one shot. Because honestly, like, I could go and chase down parts and everything like that. But in all reality, I work a full-time job, 5 days a week. Plus cater you guys occasionally as I do this. Working on other people's stuff, tuning cars. Like, I got no time, man. I can't chase all the parts. And he lives all the way in California, works a full-time job for Google. So, like, he can't, you know, do that either. So, it was easy enough. We just got on eBay. We found, you know, a full dropout. Priced a lot higher than I like, but holy shit. Look at that guy. Gone. See the size of that guy? Just out of nowhere. Well, yeah, that's all for today. Doesn't look like there's anything else in the box, but you guys stay tuned, and hopefully you'll get to see all the stuff that we're doing with this car, and see it when I get to unveil it to him, you know, when he gets back over here. And you know, we're gonna do everything. We're gonna paint the engine bay. It's gonna be nice. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and like and subscribe and all that good stuff. All right, later.